morning, senior kids. So once again I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is our EVS class. So children, this month we are learning about different professionals in the environmental studies. Okay, and we have seen so many different professionals: community helpers, medical professionals, the people who are working in aeroplane, and then we have seen a meteorologist and then water protectors, and now we are learning about the cine professionals. In previous class, we had learned there are different cine professionals such as actor, actresses, director, script writer, choreographer. So all these people are associated with the cine professionals. But today we are going to see about the fashion designer. Fashion designer, tailor, hairdresser and makeup artist. Okay. So before that, I want to ask you a question. Have you seen the award function in television? We watch the television every day. We watch different kinds of programs, such as specifically award function. We see different serials, we see different movies, we see different star events. Okay. So, in that award function, have you seen the actor and actresses? How do they dress? Do they come very simply, or do they come dressed grandly? They wear a long gown, some wear a beautiful sarees, some wear a beautiful earrings, some will have a beautifully hairstyle, some have beautifully makeup, isn't it, children? So these are all associated with cine professionals, and they are the fashion designer, tailor, hairdresser and the makeup artist. Without them, even the cine professionals can't work. So first let's start with the fashion designer. So what do you think, who are the fashion designer? So fashion designer is the person who designs different types of clothing according to the movie or the occasion or the function or the dance. So we see a movie. When we see a movie, first the actress will come in simple dress, and when a special song comes, what do? They do wear different dresses. So who designed those dresses for them? It's the fashion designer. So fashion designer, he designs particular costume for them, and after that he selects the clothes. Now here I want to show you the picture of a famous fashion designer, Manish Malhotra. So this is one of the famous fashion designer, Manish Malhotra, and he has designed this dress. The couple, they're wearing a marriage dress. See, wedding dress. They're wearing the wedding dress, which is being designed by this fashion designer, Manish Malhotra. One more fashion designer I want to show you, that is Mishaba Gupta. Okay, she is also one of the fashion designer. So what do they do? Usually fashion designer, they design some different kind of dressing, such as this is a model of design. So what do? They first plan a design to make the dress. So here I am going to show you some different pictures of different dresses. Can you see? Yes, this is one of the different dress, and these are the different dresses of women. Okay, and after making the design and selecting the clothes, what does the fashion designer do? Fashion designer asks the tailor to cut the cloth and stitch into the design what he had designed. So this is the work of the tailor. First, fashion designer will design what kind of dress, what kind of cloth he wants for the actor or actress, a particular celebrity. Then after that, he asks the tailor to cut the cloth and stitch into the design what the fashion designer has designed for. So tailor, who is tailor? Tailor is a person who cuts the cloth and stitches according to the design of fashion designer. But this is all? No, it's not all. The next comes the hairdresser. So we have seen the celebrities, they won't come simply combing the hair. They come with different hairstyles. So who makes their hair done? it's the hairdresser. Can you see the hairdresser? It's the hairdresser who makes everyone's hair in the function or in the serial when they act, or in this special function, award function. Okay, so it is the hairdresser. It is the hairdresser who makes the hair. And next, for face, will the celebrities come simply? They apply makeup. And who makes their makeup? It's the makeup artist. So makeup artist is the person who puts the makeup for the celebrities. Okay, even if we go for any function, we won't go simply. Okay, we are in school or the common place, we go simply. But if we are going for a wedding, or we are going for the parties, or we are going for the special occasion, what do? We dress accordingly. For example, in our school we celebrate many functions such as Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, what do? We ask everyone to come dressed in red and white color, and every kids come in red and white color. They do the makeup, and they make their hair done. And if we celebrate Pongal, we ask everyone to come in traditional wear, and kids, you see, they apply the makeup on the face. Even they make the hair done. So these are many things. Okay. So these are the people who are associated with the cinefield. In previous class we have seen actor, actresses, and after that director, choreographer, script writer, and today we had seen the fashion designer, tailor, hairdresser, makeup artist. So these are all the different kinds of professionals who are associated with the cine professionals. Okay children, so let's get started to do the worksheet. Okay, so check out your concept worksheet and turn to page number 26. Okay, put today's date on the top. It's 23/20, 12/20. So here what instruction is given: link the director to the professionals he works with. So in the middle you could see a person is there. Okay, with the clapperboard, he is director. Okay, and surrounding him there are many people. But we need to link only those people who are associated with the director. Okay, so here we see fashion designer. Does fashion designer works with director? Yes. So link, so join him, okay, to the director. Next, pilot. Does pilot work with the director? No. Next we see makeup artist. Does makeup artist work with director? Yes. So link director and makeup artist. Choreographer. Does choreographer work with director? Yes. So link director and choreographer. Air hostess. Does air hostess works with director? No. Here we see actor. Actor. Does actor work with director? Yes, of course. So link actor and director. So who are the people who works with the director? It's fashion designer, makeup artist, choreographer, and actor. So these are the people who works with the director. Okay. So children, so till now we have learned many professionals in EVS class, and this class we have learned about the cine professionals, and I hope that you had enjoyed the class and you had understood the class, because when next time when you see the movie or when you see an award function in the TV, you might be able to guess that who had made their dress, who put the makeup, who made the hair done, everything. Okay children, so with this I am coming to an end for today's session. So until I meet you in the next new day, it's your Ranja saying bye and take care.